TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another mostly non-phone work from home job lead. This one is customer service mostly through email, text, and chat. But before we get into it, if you're new here, I am always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another job lead. And with that being said, if you find my job leads helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that you are enjoying the videos and they are helpful. And as always, please share if you are finding them helpful. But without wasting any more time, the company Jobble is hiring a customer service representative to work remotely from home, and this is for my United States folks only. It says Jobble is looking for a customer service representative to provide customer support through email, text, chat, and occasionally the phone. So that is why I labeled this as mostly non-phone. It says occasionally. Taking inbound phone calls like regular customer service is not what you'll be doing on a daily basis. You'll mainly be working through email, text, and chat, non-phone customer service. I believe what is going to happen here is if you cannot communicate effectively with the customer through email, text, and chat, you may occasionally need to pick up the phone and make an outbound call to the customer to try to explain or get a better understanding of what they are needing. So they are looking for someone who can be available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You must be passionate about serving and helping the community understand. You need to be able to impact new processes and help build the community and give their community a voice. So you need to assess tone and direction with all your interactions with customers and the community to know when it's appropriate to escalate or delegate. You'll have to proactively problem solve and elevate trending issues. You'll have to manage time effectively across multiple communication platforms and approach all interactions with empathy and authenticity. Now, they are looking for someone who has strong customer service skills, including live chat, email, and phone, previous experience in high volume support roles, ability to function in a fast-paced environment, great verbal and written communication skills, and great problem-solving skills. If you are fluent in Spanish and English, that is a bonus for you, but is not required. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That is dependent on location and experience and would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, it says that their benefits, other than the ability to work from anywhere, as they have a fully remote team across the globe, it does say they offer competitive compensation packages. Of course, they offer equity, so you have equity in their business. That's kind of like owning a stock or a portion of the business. They offer paid time off, 401k plans, and the standard health, medical, dental, vision. And it does say they provide all equipment for you to complete the job duties. So you do not have to have any equipment or home office setup. They will give that to you. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.